Once upon a time, there was a parrot named Mithu. Mithu was very intelligent and talkative. Every day, he would sit with Amaji and chat with her. One day, the young child of the house went missing. Everyone became worried. Just then, Mithu started shouting loudly, "The child is in the garden! The child is in the garden!" Everyone ran to the garden, and indeed, the child was found there. Everyone loved Mithu and brought special sweets for him. From then on, Mithu was not just a parrot, but the hero of the house.